Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer, and I'm one of Intelligent DataWorks' AI spokespeople. Today, we are talking about a challenge every small business knows all too well: having to wear too many hats while still trying to get your own work done. In SMBs, we see project managers conducting interviews and office admins becoming unofficial bookkeepers. This isn't poor planning, it's the reality of running lean teams with limited resources. When your HR team is stretched thin, you face real problems. Hiring decisions suffer as managers may miss cultural fit. Positions stay vacant longer, and legal risks increase when untrained staff handle sensitive hiring processes. The most concerning part? Teams burn out. Core work suffers, and innovation stalls. This is where AI becomes your strategic ally. For HR, AI transforms recruitment by processing thousands of applications in just minutes. It evaluates candidate profiles thoroughly while maintaining consistent standards and reducing bias. Imagine your marketing director hiring without weeks of distraction. AI helps craft job descriptions, evaluates applications in real time, and coordinates scheduling, resulting in better hires with less time investment. Beyond recruitment, AI handles compliance, benefits administration, and employee engagement. Areas typically requiring specialists, smaller organizations simply can't afford. The bottom line? AI isn't about replacing jobs. It's about freeing your teams for more meaningful work. When staff focus on strategy rather than administrative tasks, everyone wins. For SMBs looking to grow without burnout, AI isn't just nice to have, it's essential. Once again, I'm Jennifer, and we hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to check out our blog and website for more.